Hey guys, welcome back. You probably know what this video is about already by the thumbnail, but we're going to be making candy wreaths. So you'll need one of these wire wreath frames from Dollar Tree. Today I'm actually using the smaller ones they carry that come in a pack of 2 for $1 along with this 15-foot pine garland they have, which will be enough for 2 wreaths. And I'm just twisting it tightly in place and then looping it over and over to cover the entire wreath. So this is kind of a holiday twist on the traditional candy bouquet gift idea. I thought making it into a wreath would be the cutest thing, and you can totally do this for under $5 each. You'll need a couple varieties of the fun-size candy packages. I got all mine in Dollar Tree as well. And for the first one, I went with a 6-piece pack of the mini M&Ms, and I just hot glued them on how I wanted them in a circle like this. I'm using these 6-piece packs of Russell Stovers to hot glue in between the M&M packs, and I decided to face the words in opposite directions, so I thought it might be easier to read looking straight on at the wreath like this, but it doesn't really matter how you do it, just do it however looks best to you. And then you can coordinate what type of candy you choose based on the person's preference, who you're giving it to, or based on the color theme that you want the wreath to have. And then the Twix bars I kind of centered on the M&M pack right in between the Russell Stovers, so it has a layered look like this. It's even and all filled in. You can make a bow out of candy if you're feeling very creative and don't mind spending a little extra money on the candy for that, but for this wreath I was actually loving how these little faux burlap bows look, and I just twisted them onto the wreath frame right where I wanted it. Dollar Tree carries bows like this 2 or 3 for $1, so it was a very cost-effective way to get a nice bow, and I liked how the burlap bow looks with the red, brown, and gold on the candy wrappers. Okay, so another option is to do something brighter and less traditional, and instead of the M&Ms, I use the Skittles packages, which have a rainbow of colors on them. The Butterfinger candies added bright yellow and blue, and the Three Musketeers candies had silver wrappers with bright orange, purple, and teal sayings on them. And I just hot glued the Butterfingers and Three Musketeers side by side in between the Skittles, and the packages overlap this way and they fill in everything nicely. I couldn't decide on a bow for this, so I actually grabbed this girl's hair bow that I picked up recently in Dollar Tree just to use as an example. I know the color is not the best match, but I was thinking that it was kind of cool that you could actually clip the hair bow right onto the candy wrapper, and then when it's all said and done, the person would actually have a perfectly good and functional hair bow for themselves or their kids or whatever. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon in the next one. Bye!